Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool device here. It's an OKESAM. OKESAM. Metal detector. It's a pinpointer for adults. IP68 fully waterproof, so you can make a metal detection underwater with LCD display and a nice signal which you can choose between vibration, sound, and visual, or all together. Yeah, that's good. If you have this girl right there, of course, you can use this detector. Really nice, as you can see. It will detect the metal object in your disco members, for example, and then you can let them in if they are checked. Or, of course, you can also use this for treasure hunting. There's a handheld pinpointer, an underwater treasure hunting device with 360 detection, high accuracy LED light on top in rosy red. That means the IP68 fully waterproof. The pinpointer can be fully immersed in water to a depth of 20 feet, which can meet our underwater adventure. We should make sure that battery cover is tightened and that it needs to be tightened while pressing, of course, okay? So take care. And we have a 360 degrees ultra-wide scanning range. The 4-inch detection area can support 360 degrees side scanning and large area scanning too. We insert the detection area into the ground, the detected soil layer below 7 inches. It can work indoors, beach, lawns, rivers, or underwater for a quick and accurate locate coins, silverware, jewelries, keys, and gold, of course. So the treasure checking is for you. Automatic interference elimination with that. After the handheld pinpointer wand is turned on, it can automatically eliminate the signal interferences caused by soil pollution and metallization, the improved detection efficiency, and the treasure hunting accuracy too. And the LCD display makes a good job. Yeah, when metal is detected, the detector emits a beep sound or a vibration and the signal strength is displayed on the LCD screen so we can accurately determine the distance of the metal targeted. Vibration, audio and vibration. And visual, of course. A 3-minute reminder mode can be set by a button. And we have a portable design. The pinpointer is equipped with a small LED light, which can meet the needs of a poor underwater vision or a night work. The grip is made of non-slip material, which feels good to hold and it is easy to clean. Of course, they provide the bungee cord that can be connected to our belt or backpack. And then you're ready for treasure hunting with that professional metal detector. Our adventure can start with this treasure hunting partner. Accurate locate our target. IP68 fully waterproof. Single strength reminder. 4-inch extra long scanning area. And the LCD signal indicator beep and vibrated. The frequency changed from the weak to strong. It's indicating the distance from or to the metal. Wow, awesome. Vibration plus beep mode. That means the closer the target, so higher the sound and the vibration will be yours in vibration and frequency. And it's IP68 full waterproof. It can be used underwater, explored within 6 meters of depth. To fully waterproof, we have to close the lid. Okay, take care of it. We need to squeeze and tighten it really good. And for night shot, you see there's an LED possibility with built-in the machine. That's and more brings us this OKESAM metal detector. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Till then, let's have a ear sound.